Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Skill for Life channel, where learning English is easy and friendly. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. I'm Paul, and I'm happy to be here again.
It's great to see you, Paul. How are you today?
I'm good. I feel calm today. I have my notebook, my coffee, and my English brain is ready.
That sounds perfect, and I am very excited about our topic today.
Oh, another exciting topic. Tell me, Emily, what are we talking about?
Today, we're talking about how our thinking shapes our learning. In other words, how our mindset can change our life.
Mindset again. I like this word, but sometimes it feels a little abstract.
That's okay. Let's make it simple. Mindset is just the story you tell yourself in your head.
The story in my head? Like a little voice?
Yes, exactly. That voice talks to you all day.
Oh, I know that voice very well.
Me too. So today, we will listen to that voice and learn how to change it.
So, what kind of stories do people tell themselves?
There are two common stories. One is the stuck story.
The stuck story sounds heavy already.
It is. The stuck story says things like, I'm not good at English. I'm too old. My memory is bad.
Ouch! Yes, I say those things sometimes.
Most learners do. The problem is, when you believe that story, you stop trying.
Yes, I feel tired before I even start.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about the other story.
The better one, I hope.
Yes, it's the growing story.
What does that story say?
It says, I'm learning. This is difficult, but I can improve. I'm not there yet, but I'm moving.
Wow! The same situation, but a very different feeling.
Yes, one story closes the door, the other story keeps the door open.
I remember last time we talked about the word yet. I still like that word.
Good, because today I want to use it in a new way.
Oh, I'm listening.
Many people say, I can't remember words.
Yes, that's me.
Now change it to, I can't remember words yet.
That small word changes the whole sentence.
Exactly. Yet tells your brain, keep going.
It's like saying, this is not the end of the story.
Perfect, Paul. Language loves stories, and so does your brain.
Emily, can I ask you something honest?
Of course.
Many learners understand English, but they don't speak. They're afraid.
That is a very important point. Fear is a big part of mindset.
I feel my heart beat fast when I want to speak.
Yes, the stuck mindset says, don't speak, you will make a mistake.
And then I say nothing.
But the growing mindset says, speak first, fix later.
Speak first, fix later. I like that.
English is not a test, it's a tool.
A tool to connect with people.
Exactly. Mistakes don't break communication. Silence does.
Emily, why do mistakes help us learn?
Think of your brain like a muscle.
Like going to the gym?
Yes, when you lift weights, your muscles feel uncomfortable.
Sometimes painful.
But that pain means growth. Learning is the same.
So confusion is not a problem.
Confusion is a sign you're learning.
Wow, that changes how I see difficulty.
Difficulty is not failure. Difficulty is training.
But learning English still feels big.
Then let's make it small.
Smaller than 2 words a day?
Yes, sometimes one sentence is enough.
One sentence?
Yes, today I will say one English sentence out loud.
That feels possible.
Or, today I will listen for 5 minutes.
5 minutes I can do.
Small steps reduce fear. Consistency builds confidence.
One more problem, Emily. I compare myself to others.
Ah, that is very dangerous for mindset.
I see people speaking fluently and I feel small.
Remember this, you don't see their beginning.
Only their result.
Exactly. Your job is not to be better than them.
Just better than yesterday.
Yes, that is the only comparison that matters.
Okay, Emily, let me check my mindset now.
Go ahead.
Idea 1, listen to my inner story. Is it stuck or growing?
Good.
Idea 2, use the word yet.
Yes.
Idea 3, mistakes mean training, not failure.
Perfect.
And idea 4, small steps every day.
Excellent summary.
Emily, this conversation really helped me.
Me too. Mindset is something we practice every day.
Not once, every day.
Yes. And now, dear listeners, we have a question for you.
What is your small step today?
One sentence? One word? 1 minute of listening?
Write it in the comments. That is your promise to yourself.
Thank you so much for listening.
And remember, change your mindset and your life will follow.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.